Mass Clinic. We are hereby to explain the topics called converting fraction to decimal. So, but before we explain this a little bit topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Olusegun Adelekun. The stage name is Olusegun Mass Clinic, and we want you to also help us to share this video and subscribe to these channels and follow us in the Facebook. So these are the ways. We want to give you the ways how to convert fraction to a decimal number. So let's start by this. So in converting fractions, so we write 8. So we write 5. So the 8, we divide 5, but it's not possible. So if it is not possible that 8 goes in 5, it means you put 1 0, so it will go directly. You will now put 0 points. So you put 0 points. So it's now easy for 8 to go in 50. So 8 in 50, it can go in 6 times. 8 times 6 give us 48. So you subtract 48 minus 50 give us 2. You put the 0 again. 8 in 20, it goes in 2 times. So 8 times 2 making 16. Let's subtract again. We have 4. You put 0. So 8 in 40 is 5. So 8 times 5, 40. Therefore, 40 minus 40, all these we are subtracting, will give you 0, 0. Now telling us that 5 over 8 in fraction, it will give us 0.625. So this is the answer for this fraction. So this fraction is 5 of 8. So we call this numerator. We call this denominators. So this numerator and denominator, it is one that form fraction, and this is how the fraction now turn to decimal number. So 5 over 8 can be written as 0.625. So let's also explain 1 over 9. This is 12 over 25. So in explaining 1 over 9, we have 9 to divide 1. 9 to divide 1, it is possible. You borrow 0 to become 10. But you now put 10 here, becoming 10, you now put 0 points. So now, 9 in 10 give us 1. 9 times 1, 9. Let's subtract. So when you subtract, we have 1. You put 0 again. 9 in 10 is also 1. 9 times 1 it gives us 9. When you subtract, it gives us 1 again. You put 0. 9 divided by 10, 1. 9 times 1, 9. You subtract, you get 1. Till this will be going like this, like this. We'll be getting 0 points. So meaning that 1 over 9 is equal to 0.111. So if you continue, you still be getting 1, 1, 1, 1. That is how 1 over 9 is. So for getting the fraction, for converting 1 over 9 to a decimal, it will be going to infinity numbers of decimal places, but you can stop at 3 or 4. So this is 1/9. The logic is the 9 will divide 1. It is not possible. You borrow 0 to put it here. So, but the 0 will now come here to give us 0.111. So you now multiply the 1. So these are the steps. So let's also do this. That is 12/25. 12/25. This is 1/4. So in 12/25, you write 25. You write 12. So 25 divided by 12 is not possible. You put 0. When you put 0 here, it will change to 0 point. So 25 in 120, it will go in 100. So we have 4. 25 times 4, 100. So let's subtract, we have 20. So let's put 0. So 25 divided by 200, it will go in 8 times. So 25 times 8 give us 200. So therefore to be 0, 0, 0. So now telling us that 12/25 is equal to 0.48. So that is how to convert 12/25 to decimal places. So let's solve for the 1/4. It will be 4 to divide 1. 4 to divide 1, it is not possible. You put 0 here, it will not turn to 0 point. So 4 divided by 10, it goes in 2 times. 4 times 2, we have 8. So therefore, 8 minus 10, we have 2. So now, when you now have 2, you put 0 again. So 4 divided by 20, we have 5. 4 times 20, 4 times 5, we have 20. So you now subtract. Therefore, 1/4 is equal to 0.25. So these are the steps to convert fraction to decimal. So therefore, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video.